In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Slack notifications to your Airflow DAGs with Airflow notifiers. If you want a cleaner and more modern way to monitor your pipelines in Apache Airflow, this approach is a great option. Instead of building custom callback logic or relying on older manual patterns, Airflow notifiers let you attach alert behavior directly to your DAGs and tasks in a much more reusable way. Before you can use that, though, you first need to connect Slack and Airflow properly. Start on the Slack side by creating a secure incoming webhook. Go to the Slack app management page and create a custom app for alerts. Once the app is created, open the incoming webhook section from the features area and turn it on. Then choose the option to add a new webhook to your workspace. Select the channel where you want your Airflow alerts to appear and approve it. After that, Slack will generate a webhook URL for you. Copy that URL and store it securely. Since this value is sensitive, make sure you don't expose it in documentation, screenshots, or shared code. Next, move into your Apache Airflow web interface and create the Slack connection that Airflow will use. Sign in to the Airflow UI, then go to Admin and Open Connections. Create a new connection by clicking the plus icon. In the connection ID field, enter a clear identifier such as SlackCon ID or Slack default. Then choose the appropriate connection type, either Slack webhook or Slack, depending on what your Airflow version presents. In the authentication field, paste the webhook token portion that corresponds to your Slack webhook. This is the part associated with the webhook path, not something you should read aloud or publish. Once everything looks correct, save the connection. Finally, make sure your Airflow environment has the correct Slack provider package installed. This is important because the notifier feature depends on the official Slack provider integration. Open your deployment terminal or update your requirements file if that's how your environment is managed, and install the Apache Airflow Slack provider package. If you're working in a production setup, it's a good idea to confirm the installed version is compatible with your current Airflow version before deploying changes. Once these pieces are in place, you'll be ready to use Airflow notifiers in your DAGs for success and failure alerts in a much cleaner way.